Hello and welcome back to another video. All right. I gotta be very honest. I am in crunch time right now. I leave to Ethiopia tomorrow. I have less than 24 hours to get my hair done and finish packing. So I'm just gonna have to jump right into this video. This is the twist out video. I'm gonna show you how I do it. What I did last night, I washed my hair, detangled it. My hair seems to really love oil, so that's all I put in my hair last night. I also separated my hair into sections. I didn't separate each individual section because I don't care for my hair to look that clean cut when it's twists, but I separated them into rows. Okay. Very frantic. What you will need to do this hairstyle is some type of moisture milk, moisture cream, moisture whatever. What you also need, oiled wrists. I'm dead ass. Stretch your hands out a little. This is going to be a process. You guys, I'm not playing with you. I'm not. Make sure you have a good meal before you start. Make sure you're hydrated. These are the steps nobody talks about, but this is must do. Is that all? The rest of this video will be voiceover because I gotta go. Okay, so let's get into it. Here's my twist out video. Okay. Anytime I do any hairstyle, I always start at the nape of my neck. And because I already washed, detangled, moisturized, and sectioned these rows last night, it made this process so much easier for me. Once I chose the section that I want to begin twisting, I added some of this Mielle hair milk. Even though I'm not a fan of the smell, the moisture is what my hair seems to love. So I make sure to add some towards my scalp, the root of my hair. And then I also focus that moisture on the ends of my hair. For the hair that I'm using, it's this Zury water wave in color 2. I use 2 pieces, but what I do with the first piece is I separate the ends a little bit. It adds some volume. And then I lay the second piece over. But I like to make those ends all different lengths because when it comes to the styling process, this will help secure that your hair doesn't unravel. Next step, I twist the top of the hair that's going to be placed against my scalp, grab my hair to make it a third piece, and I begin braiding. And braiding it will ensure that your hair is secure and there's not too much pulling at your scalp. After braiding a little bit down, I separate my hair into those 2 pieces as you can see on the video, and then I just twist until I get to the end. This part is probably the simplest part because it's just a 2-strand twist. Here's just a closer look as to how I'm twisting. Sometimes it could be hard to put into words exactly what's happening, but you can see it. Because I know this hairstyle is going to be in for a few weeks, I added a little bit more of that hair milk to the ends of my hair to ensure that it has moisture. And when I get to the end of the hair, I don't go all the way because this has a curl pattern, so I could leave it as it is and it still looks beautiful. But what I do is I grab the twist and I pinch it while pulling it down. It kind of helps stretch it out to the length that it is, and it also makes the twist look a little more uniform. Now enjoy watching me repeat that same process for the rest of my hair. About 5-6 hours in, this is the only time that I'm really going to use something to part my hair because the hair that's falling around my face is a bit more visible, and it also gives the illusion that this is a really detailed and precise hairstyle, and it's not. This is the illusion. And I am done. I finished at about 7 hours in. That's the fastest I've ever done this hairstyle. I really love how it came out. I was able to keep it for some time. So one of my favorite styles. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace out.